Hello, guys. Good evening. Good evening. Hello. Good evening, guys. Good evening, everyone. How are you? Guys. Hello. Hi, sir. Hello, Shreya. How are you? Hello, everyone. I send you mail. Oh, really? I didn't check. I'm really sorry. It would have been very recent then because I checked it. Okay. Yep. I got your mail, Shreya. Got your mail. I'm sure you have a constraint. Yeah, done, Shreya. Done. Uh, we'll talk about it, Shreya. Okay. No need to worry about it. Yes. Guys, this session will be of 1 hour. I know like it's a very important day for all of you. This is our last session. And like today is the starting match of CSK versus GT also. Right? So that is also important. You know? Whom are you supporting, guys? CSK or GT? CSK fans or GT fans here? Guys, CSK fans or GT fans? No one. Share doesn't watch cricket. Okay. Yes. Guys, CSK or GT? GT, whom you are supporting today? Is it CSK or is GT for you? Hello Drishti, how are you? How is everyone? How is everyone? I'm good. I'm also very great, Shrishti. Drishti, sorry. Yeah. So today's session we'll be keeping it 1 hours. Okay, 1 hour, 40 minutes. Today is a buffer session. We are not going to code anything. We are going to discuss. I'm going to talk with you. And yeah, really sorry that the code has not been sent to you. That is completely. I take the full responsibility of it because I was actually busy and like I will tell you something. Yesterday we were talking about something sacrifice and something, right? Yeah. So the thing here was कि today your session was going to be postponed. Okay, because I was not available today. There is a fest going on in one of the colleges in Hyderabad. Which Hyderabad? There is a fest, right? So we were invited there, and we had like I had to part in 2 to 3 competitions. So therefore I wasn't available. And like, but yesterday I had talked about sacrifice, right? So if I'm not sacrificing my enjoyment for my students, then there is no point in talking about it, right? Therefore, that is sacrifice for today, just for you guys. Yes. So what I want you is that you have to reply. Okay, please do reply. Okay. HTML code was there with you completely, I think. Just a second. Hi, sir. Hello. Hello, hello, everyone. Okay, I'll be giving you the document. Okay, don't worry about it. I will be giving you the document now. So I'm just editing it. Yes, I was telling you about that. I have sacrificed my enjoyment for you guys, and of course, it's my duty, right? So there is, I'm not bragging about it, of course. Yep. So the document will be there for you. Okay, so if I will be giving you the HTML code, don't worry about it. Not HTML, I will be giving you the complete code. It will be uploaded on your drive. Okay. Yes. Yep. Yep. Now, if you guys have any kinds of doubt, any sorts of doubt, today's the buffer session. Told you already. You guys can please just type it in the chat box. Okay. Today your session was to be cancelled, but we are here, so it's all destiny. Another thing is today's GT versus CSK. So whom are you supporting, guys? Whom are you supporting? Let me know in the chat box. Whom are you supporting? GT versus CSK. Just a second. Let me give you. Like, let me upload this. Not screenshot, right? All those, yes. Yep. Okay, done. So the code will be shared with you guys. Don't worry about it. Yeah, GT versus CSK is also going on. I am good. Hey, sir. Hello. Yeah, CSK, CSK, CSK. Yes. Let's go. CSK. With CSK. Any day. Eyes closed. In sleep also, if you wake me up, I am sleeping, and you come to me and you're like, Bhaiya, IPL. It's like CSK. It's like that. Yes. Okay. Can you explain this line of code? Span on click equal to toggle button sign in span. Okay. Span. When we talk about span, there are two things: division and span. We have talked about it. Division is block of code where we are taking blocks. If you create a division, that means a block has been created or a particular has been side area has been given. Right. That is the thing. That is division. uh, span is just completely opposite of it. Span is the code in one line. Okay, code in one line. What happens here is whatever code we are writing, we can style that, we can use that in line only. Okay, so if you want to style within the line, we are using span. That is the span tag. On click equal to toggle button is we have given a function on click. That on click, the function we are giving is toggle button. So if you remember, in JavaScript we are writing toggle button 1, toggle button 2. It is because of this. When you're clicking on sign in, the function that would be applied will be of toggle button. That is the answer. If it is clear, please let me know. Otherwise, I will explain it to you. Okay. Now, yeah, please. Okay, so toggle button CSK. What is toggle button? Okay, so you are not. Okay, no problem. I was not seeing the chat box. Really sorry for that. So yeah, CSK is love, guys. Yes, one more thing, guys. This has been uploaded. Like it has been uploaded on the drive. The code has been uploaded on the drive. So please just go to it and check it. Okay. Yep. Yeah. For your answer, what is toggle button? Toggle button is a button. Okay. So it is a button which will allow the user to change the settings or just what does a button or a switch does when you click on it, the thing changes, right? So that is a toggle button. That is the thing. The what is okay. So if you're not understanding toggle button, what is a slider? Slider is like if you're talking about brightness slider. Okay, in everyone's phone we are having brightness slider. Slider is there. If you're sliding it, the brightness is increasing very slowly, right? It has been very slow, like the brightness it is going like this. Toggle button, it's like on and off. If you just click on and off, on, brightness on, off, screen off, like this, that is toggle button. Get my point here? Okay, cool. Yes, okay. Now there was a question for if you are having a JavaScript interview, what are some of the important questions? Okay, okay, yep. Now, so the thing is, one important thing is you should know is what are the types, data types in JavaScript? What are data types in JavaScript? Tell me that. Answer this question. What are data types in JavaScript? What are data types in JavaScript? Yep. 8 data types. Okay. Please, Shreya, can you type the data types in the chat box? We would also see what are the 8 data types. Okay. Yep. Guys, today the session is till 9:30. The code is shared with you. The images also will be shared with you. Today, of course, we are having the first IPL. Everyone is so excited. Yes. Array, object, set map, function, class. These are the data types. These are the data types. I'm talking about JavaScript. Okay, I will explain what JS code is. Cool. No need to Google. No need to Google. Basically, if you see, there are two types of data type: primitive, non-primitive. Okay, primitive, non-primitive. Not Google. Okay, done, Shreya. So there are two types: primitive, non-primitive. In primitive, we are having different types. What are the types in primitive? Number, big integer, boolean, undefined, null, symbol. I will repeat: symbol, null, undefined, boolean, big integer, number. Number, big integer, boolean, undefined, null, symbol. These are primitive. Okay. Complex, multiple values data types are used like object. Object is one. Okay. You get the point here? That is JavaScript. Now there is a question here. Can you please once again explain JS code briefly? Cool. JS code. Oh, sorry, it's moving. Sorry. Yep. Very basic example of what I have given in the first class. I will give you that example only. That is my favorite also. The thing is that here is my hand, right? Whatever you see here, the color, the patterns, the designing of this hand is basically CSS. What it is based on is HTML. The structure, the bones structure is HTML. If you see how it is working is JavaScript. When we are divisions are created, where the content will go, everything is created. Designing is also done. What has to be the movement? What has to be the function? You have created buttons, but what the buttons are going to do in the website? You have created 10 buttons. For example, you have created 10 buttons or 5 buttons you have created. Sign in button, login button, password button, contact us button. There are certain buttons. Okay, register button. Certain buttons are there. You have created those buttons. Okay. But what these buttons are going to do? You are not defining them in JavaScript, sorry, in HTML. You are not defining them in CSS. Where you are defining, what is the function of that? What is the work of that? Yes, that is JavaScript. You guys see my phone here? You guys see my phone here? Yes or no? Type yes or no in the chat box, please. There is a button here. Yes, S. Okay. Yes, okay. If I click this button, button is there. Button. We have put the button, not we. The company has put the button here. They have put. What is the function of this? When I click on it, something happens. Screen is turned on. When I click on this button, screen is turned on. That is the function of this button. With JavaScript, we are putting functions, we are putting animations, we are putting works of these kinds of buttons, these kinds of functions, or these kind anything. If you want to put a slider that is moving, right? HTML is not dynamic. HTML pages are static. CSS is for designing. If you want to move your images, we are using JavaScript. That is basically what JavaScript is. You get it? Okay. Explain JS code of our. So you didn't want to know about that what JS is basically? You could have told me, right? No props. No props. Okay. Project pic is not shared. Yeah, project pic will be shared. I will be putting the pictures in the drive also. Don't worry about it. I will put it. Okay. Yeah. So I'm not sharing my screen right now, but if you just go to the JS part here, let us just quickly see what JS what we have done in JS. So there are certain variables that we use to create. Uh, there are certain keywords that we use to create variables. Sorry, the first 8 or 7 lines of code, if you see, what we have done there, we have created variables. Those values cannot be changed. How we have created? We have used a constant keyword. That constant keyword we have used. So there are sentences. There would be sentences, I suppose. Something like constant email value, constant password value, constant date, constant button, constant thanks, submit button. All these things are there. We are declaring the variables and we are getting their value. We are getting that element value, whatever ID you have given or whatever class name you have given. We are not giving any particular value assigned to it, but whatever in HTML we have given, from there we are extracting it. Okay, that is 7 to 8 line block of code. Then we have added one event listener to the submit button. There is a submit button. To that we have added one event listener, that is on click. On click is one event listener. So it happens when you click on a button or when you click on anything, that is on click. Okay, done. Next, for checking input, whether the input the user has given is in correct format or not, we have used regular expressions. Before that, we have used trimming function, password dot value dot trim and email dot value dot trim for removing the white spaces. Then we are checking what is the value of email entered by the user. If the value of email is nothing, it will show you an alert. Something will be like this is the not proper format. Sorry, again, sorry. That email cannot be left blank. Next can be if there is not the proper, there is the proper format is not there for email, not equal to exclamatory mark we have used. It will show something like this is not the proper format of email, not valid email. Then if it is valid email, then it will print, okay, this is valid email. Same goes for, yeah, project pic, okay. Same goes for password also. Okay, done, done. After that, we have used regular expressions is email. We have used function is email. From that is email function, we have checked key whether the input the user has given is in proper format of the email or not. Then we have declared function toggle button. That toggle button is nothing but we have declared two things, final and main. We are getting the ID by final and main. Then class we are toggling, it is closed or it is rotate, closed, like that. Is it cool, guys? You understood? Sorry. Is it cool? Maurya, Satish says no. Satish, in which part exactly you are having doubt, or you are not able to understand anything? Please let me know that. Can we add this project to our resume? Venkatesh. Venkatesh, this is a dynamic Netflix project, of course, but I think your major project and your minor project also are going to be far better than this. Because if you're learning, this is the first project, right? So you better not put it in your resume. But if you're not having other projects, then you can put, because this is a very simple project and a very basic project. There are very advanced project also that you are going to create when you're in your final year. And I don't suppose that you're in your final year, right? Are you in your final year, Venkatesh? Satish says about what is main and final. Okay. So if you see the HTML code, Venkatesh is third year. Venkatesh, don't put this in your resume. Okay. You will. Sorry, I'm very sleepy today. Not slept properly. Okay. Yeah. Uh, what I was saying, we were talking about main and final. So see, the class list is element dot class list. It returns the collection of that class basically. Okay, I don't want to go in like a deep something. When we are typing about final dot class list dot value, so in that class, whatever collection is there, that value is extracted, or okay, and we are toggling it. Then, then, done. Great. Then in that, whatever from final we have extracted, that element we have created in HTML, from that final, whatever is extracted, that is going in classmate, and we are toggling that. That is basically main and final, nothing else. Yep. So we are getting quite a doubts today. Please let me know if you are having any doubts. Yeah, well, if you're not having any doubts, I also have a question for you guys. Please let me know if I can ask the question or not. Because you have not asked me, I will ask you one question. Please let me know if I have to, or do I have to ask, or you are asking. Yes, ask. Okay, Shreya says yes. I want at least 2 to 3 yeses, guys. I want at least 2 to 3 yeses. Yes, yes, you can ask. Okay. Thank you, Kavya. Kavya is new to our stream, I think, right? I'm seeing this name for the first time. Okay, no problem. So I have used in my code double equal to, and I have used in my code triple equal to also. What is the difference between double equal to and triple equal to? I was typing in the chat box, but I'm not going to type in the chat box. Otherwise, you're going to just copy and paste it in Google. So what is the difference between double equal to and triple equal to? We are using double equal to also and triple equal to. What is the difference? Double equal to lose equality. Okay. What is triple equal to? Can you please just briefly explain what loose equality and what is tight equality? Equality is also loose or tight? Okay, so there's triple equal to data type. What is double equal to? So if I'm going to give like variable x triple equal to, like I have defined, okay, x equal to 2 and y equal to, in double quotes I have written 2. So if I'm asking x triple equal to y, so it won't give the output. Won't it give the output? Okay, double equal to check same values. Comparing two variables. Repeat the question. I will type. Please tell me the output of the things that I have written. Last two things. X double equal to y. What is the meaning for that? X and x triple equal to y. What is the meaning of that? Both are true. Cool. We get one answer. First one compare the both. And next one doesn't compare the both. No. What does it do then? X triple equal to y is false. Okay. So are we expecting a debate here? Shreya is saying both are true, and Kavya is saying x triple equal to y is false. X double equal to y is true. Yes. Can you please tell me the difference, Kavya or Shreya? X triple equal to y, check data type. Great. That's the answer. So x triple equal to y will check the data type. X triple equal to y is false. The first one is integer. The second one is string. So second and data type is same. Data type is not same. The second one is string data type. I have given double quotes there. And X, can I get recorded session? Yes, Venkatesh. The recorded session will be present in Graphy. You can just have a look at it. Okay. Now, guys. So what I want from you is please like the stream, share it with your friends. Okay. Yeah, that will be good. Now, if you're having any doubts regarding the project or any other doubts, please let me know. We are going to take up the doubts. Yes, guys. Please shoot me with doubts, guys. Give me doubts. Okay, one more question. The basic question that you get, what type of a language is JavaScript? How can I watch yesterday's session? Graphy. On Graphy, you're having everyday session. Okay, Venkatesh? Now there's a question here. What type of a language is JavaScript? Is it dynamically typed or is it statically typed? There's one question for you. It is statically typed or it is dynamically typed? Please let me know. There's one answer saying dynamic. Please tell me why. Please tell me why. We can manipulate. Oh, what do you want to manipulate, Chandra? Static. So there is an answer static. Okay, Kavya. The answer is it is dynamically typed language. There are two things in dynamically typed language. I will tell you here. When we are talking about statically and dynamically typed language, the difference is runtime and compile time error. Okay, please remember that runtime and compile, not error, sorry. The dynamically typed language, the type of the variable is checked during the runtime. Okay, and in statically typed language, in compile time. Okay, yes. So, what is the advantage? What is the advantage? Advantage is variable. Variable x equal to 23, variable x equal to name. First, the value of variable x was 23, then it is changed to name. You can change it within the code whenever you want. That is dynamic typing. Okay, dynamically typed language. And it is runtime. The variable value of variable is checked during the runtime, not during the compile time. That's the answer. Got it, guys? Please, yeah. Guys, please let me know if you have any doubts regarding the project. So this is not working, that is not working. Anything else? Yes? Match is also there going on GT and CSK, right? Please give me doubts, guys. Please give me doubts. Today the session is for 1 hour. Okay. Yeah, I will be just back in a second. I will just go and drink some water, and then I will come with you again. Okay. Please let me know if you are having any doubts regarding the session. You want me to explain anything or anything like that. Okay. Please let me know that. Yeah, I will be just back. No queries. If you don't have any queries, let me know that also. Then I will be asking you questions, different kinds of question, different types of question. But you should have doubts. You should have doubts. Yes. I will be just back in a minute. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Which language is most important for us as developers? There is a difference what kind of a developer you are. If you are a full stack developer, frameworks, JavaScript is very important for you. If you are an Android developer, then there are different languages. Okay. If you are a software developer, Java is important. Machine learning, Python. Okay. When you're working with machine learning, Python. Yes. Full stack, JavaScript. Full stack JavaScript. You have to learn the no, not JavaScript, not exactly JavaScript, not exactly JavaScript. You have to learn the frameworks. There are many languages. Okay. Um, Many languages are there. Actually. Okay. If you are going for backend, Python is important, Java is important, C sharp. Okay. Then like you have to learn Node.js, you have to learn .ASP.NET, C sharp, Python, or PHP. PHP is important. AngularJS is important. It depends. So this is a general question. Siri, why your every question is general question? Okay, sorry. Would you like to have your opinion? Would like to have your opinion. Okay. Do you have any idea about projects of web development that are built using machine learning and database system? Cool. So this is a general doubt. Projects of web development that are built using machine learning and database management system. Okay. Database management system basically, for example, let us take the example of SQL, DBMS, SQL, right? SQL is storing data. Now, if you are taking into consideration let us not talk about projects. Let us talk about simple websites. Amazon, if you're taking example of Amazon, it has to store the data. It has to store the data. Now, Python, web development, full stack SQL, web technology. Okay. Yes. So when we are seeing this website of Amazon, the data is stored in DBMS. Okay. Now where machine learning basically is most important for testing. If you are going for automation testing or not manual testing, if you are going for automation testing, machine learning plays an important role on which the projects are based on basically. Okay. Machine learning is a different aspect. It web development, of course, it's there. For the analysis, machine learning is there. For storing the data, DBMS, SQL, all these things, MySQL, all these things are there. Okay. Any other doubts? Okay. Yes. Okay. It's not MEARN stack. It's not ME. It's MERN stack. Okay. So MERN actually is MongoDB, Express, React. and Node, MERN. Okay, that's MongoDB, Express, N is Node, and R is React. So these four technologies basically come together and works as MERN stack. So if you know all these four things, MongoDB is for database and Express document database. Express is Node.js web framework. Okay. Express.js. React is a client-side JavaScript framework. Node.js is a server, web server basically. Express is Node.js web framework, and Node.js is JavaScript web server. React.js is client-side JavaScript framework for client-side. Okay, that is MERN stack. Again, full stack consists of front-end and back-end technologies. That is full stack. If you know front-end and back-end, that is you are a full stack developer. MERN stack is different. It's not MEARN, that's MERN. Cool. More doubts, please? Okay, yes. Let us have more doubts. Please like the stream. Please like it. Share it, please. Share it with your friends. Today is the last day. Okay. How can we connect our website to database? Now that is a um, we have learnt only basic of JavaScript actually, Venkatesh. Now your question is valid, okay, okay, that's a very basic question that you should know. Uh, but the thing is, connecting it to your database is a not a I cannot say complex task, um, but basically it's a process, and with just this Netflix thing, you won't be able to do it. If you want the process, it's actually you have to locate the client side MQL, MySQL client side, okay, command line client. Then you have to run the client. I'm telling you the process, okay? So then you have to select your database, which database you are using. If you don't have the database, you can create the database. Then after creating the database or after you have selected, you have to connect. There are things, DB Forge is there. Okay, using for MySQL, basically DB Forge is there. Okay, it's a GUI tool, graphical user interface tool. From DB Forge you can connect. Is it cool? Then there are things like host, server, request, respond, username, password name, field, login credentials. Of course, you have to put there, and there are ports are there, TCP, IP requests are there. Can you suggest more games like Flexbox, Froggy? Okay. So Flexbox, Froggy is one. CSS plate, plate box or bento box is some game is there. That is also one. You can use select, like you can play those also. Okay, Venkatesh done. Yeah, more doubts, guys. So match is also there, guys. I am like I don't know about you guys, like you are watching the match or not, but I want to watch the match. And again, there was an event today in Bits, Hyderabad. We were there. Today's session was about to be postponed. I asked, like, can we postpone? They were like, okay, we'll try to postpone. But then I was like, no. Yesterday only, I was like, ki we should sacrifice something for the betterment. And if I only am sacrificing the class, then it was not look good. So I will sacrifice my enjoyment of first. So therefore, we are here taking the class. Yes. Please like it, share it with your friends. Yes. And please let me know if you are having any doubts with the project or any other general doubts. We are here to clear. This was your project, guys. You can run it. The project images will be shared. You can run the code in editors, Replit, CodePen, VS Code. Okay. Yep. Upload pics. That will be done, bro. Don't worry about it. More doubts. Send me attendance link. So attendance link will be shared at 9:30, guys. Don't worry about it. 9:30 attendance link. Apart from attendance link, do you have any doubts? Apart from attendance link, do we have any doubts? Apart from attendance link, no doubts. Cool, cool. No doubts. Cool, cool. Okay. Okay, so bye. I want to see the battle. Guys, don't make me tempted. Okay. The attendance link will be there. The attendance link. Okay. Yeah. Of course, I also want to see the battle. I think one innings would have been completed by now. Like I even haven't seen the score. Venkatesh brother. Oh, it's a battle. Yes. Yeah. Doubts? Doubts or anything? Please let me know. Okay, so I am sending the link. So the link I'm sending you guys. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Okay. The link is there in our chat box. Please let me know if you're able to access it. Okay. Yes. Let us like the stream, subscribe our channel, Code Sprint. Please do subscribe on YouTube also. Guys. Do subscribe on YouTube also. It's Code Sprint. Okay. Yeah. Please do that. Please share. Not working. Just okay. Let me check. Hmm. Not working. Okay. We are checking, guys. We are checking. Not working. Just check it. Okay. Wait, wait, wait. Yeah, please see it now. Please see it now once, please. Please check it and let me know, guys. Working or not. Okay. Is it working? Please let me know if it is working on. Cool, it is working right now. Yep. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I just now not working. Is it? It's working now, Sandeep, bro. It's working now. Please check it once again. Okay. I think yeah. I just now checked the score for it, and the last over is left. Yes. And CSK is batting first. Cool, cool. Let's not deviate. Yeah. If, like any other doubts, please let me know, guys. Do we have any doubts or anything? Anything, anything. So, guys, this is the last time that I am with you, right? Now, the last time we'll be bringing, sessions. We'll be bringing boot camps for you. Okay. So let's. It's time for today's quote. I think. Yes. Is it? Is it the time? Is it that time? The quote time? Okay. So okay. Let me think. There was a quote by one famous president. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. We will repeat it. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but it lies in rising every time we fall. This was by Nelson Mandela, and it is one of the famous quotes. Yes, Bhaiya, had your dinner? No, bro, I haven't had my dinner. We'll have it afterwards, after the session. Okay. So, this is the quote for you. Abide by that. Okay, and yeah, let us just end it. Also, heaven. Yeah, Shreya, please go ahead. Please, I request. Please, please go ahead. Please go ahead. Don't believe everything you think. Okay, don't believe everything you think. I thought it was like don't believe everything you see or don't believe everything you think. Okay, it's like don't overthink, right? Is it that thing? Don't overthink, right? Yes. Cool. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for your presence. This was Pranay Panwar. Sorry, Pranay Pawar or Panwar is also fine. Yep. So signing off, and this is the project that we have created, Netflix. Please like the stream. Follow us on Code Sprint. We guys are here for you. Thank you. No, no, yep, yep, yep. Pic will be shared. Shreya, don't worry about it. Drishti, thank you so much. Thank you guys. You have been a great sport. Um, love you all, really. Yes. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you, Drishti, Kanesh, Shreya, and yeah, Tabassum, Sandeep, Srinivas, Kavya, everyone. Venkatesh, Satish. If I have forgotten someone's name, Siri, please, just forgive me. Shivam. But thank you everyone so much. Thank you everyone. And it was a great time teaching you guys. Okay, can I go? Bye bye guys. If it was in, I would have taken a pic with you, but it's cool. So let me take your leave. Okay. Thank you. Bye guys. Jai Hind. Jai Hind and Jai Shri Ram. Bye bye. Bye guys. Bye.